Hi, I'm Vikki. I'm from New Zealand and I've been in Brunei for 11 years. I believe that professional development is an integral aspect of teaching. Therefore, an important question to ask when you're looking at a potential teaching position is, what does it offer in the way of PD? I've had a lot of opportunities for PD here in Brunei. This has included delivering PD. I've been involved in providing one-on-one mentoring of Bruneian and new CfBT colleagues. I've also delivered PD sessions to small groups of CfBT teachers who have been transitioning from secondary to sixth form. Other types of PD have involved my English department and my whole school, for whom I've presented research on various topics such as extensive reading, activating schemata, and teaching and learning vocabulary. Recently, as part of CfBT's professional development program, I delivered PD collaboratively with a group of teachers on the topic of lesson design and structure. Delivering PD is a rewarding experience. It takes me out of my comfort zone. It requires me to reflect on and upgrade my knowledge and skills. It reinforces my pedagogical beliefs and it enables me to share relevant information with my colleagues. Moreover, there are a lot of teachers here in Brunei, all of whom come from different parts of the world, have different educational backgrounds, and who between them have a huge array of experience, skills, and specialist knowledge. Working together with these teachers in a collaborative and supportive learning environment is a fantastic opportunity for professional and personal growth.